Do you want to learn Portuguese but you have a busy schedule, or you're not motivated enough, or you can take only a little bit at a time? I know what you're going through. I've been through the same myself when I was learning German and other languages. So I know how it is to be busy and still wanting to learn a language, and therefore I made this compact course. It's my crash course. It will teach you basic Portuguese. So if you want to learn how to introduce yourself and others, the articles in Portuguese, definite and indefinite, the present simple and present continuous of the regular verbs in Portuguese, the verbs ser and estar, which are the verb to be in Portuguese, and so much more, pronunciation as well. If you want to learn this and still have time to all your other things, this course is for you, and I'm so happy that you're here. But first I want to introduce myself. My name is Mia and I am a qualified Portuguese teacher with more than 10 years of experience. I also have background in linguistics, so I've put this course together in a way that will help you achieve your goals and become fluent in European Portuguese much more easily. So come with me and learn Portuguese. Have fun!